Is it the right time to buy or sell Amazon stock? Today, we're delving deeper into the world of Amazon. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, December 11, 2023. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Elevate your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 global companies available today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 5, 2023, our system has identified Amazon as a buy candidate, with a score of 1.18. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Unfortunately, the stock hasn't performed as expected, and has experienced a loss of -0.67% so far. This means that on average, the stock has been declining by -0.13% per day since it was identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in a strong rising trend in the short term and indicates a potential further increase. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 13.24% change over the next 3 months. The potential return ranges from -0.472% to 16.83%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a 69.05% change over the next year. The potential return ranges from 47.37% to 74.03%. This means the price could range from $215 to $253.89 in a year. Our latest update on Amazon's stock price reveals some interesting developments. On Monday, the stock price closed at $145.89, experiencing a decrease of 1.03785103785%. Specifically, the stock price dropped from $147.42 to $145.89 on Monday, marking a -1.03785103785% decline. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $143.65 and a high of $146.19, showcasing a 1.77% variation. It is important to note that the stock price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decrease of -1.25% during this period. Additionally, there was an increase in trading volume by 9 million shares on the last day, despite the falling prices. This may serve as an early warning sign, potentially indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $7.04 billion worth of shares, totaling 48 million, were bought and sold. Looking at the past 52 weeks, we observe that the highest stock price reached $149.26, while the lowest was recorded at $81.43. Currently, the stock price is 2.26% or $3.37 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it stands at 88.82% or $1,159.31 below the all-time high, which was achieved on January 15, 2018, when the price reached $1,305.20. Today, let's take a look at some recent analyst ratings for Amazon. On Friday, December 1, 2023, Oppenheimer gave Amazon an outperform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 29, 2023, JMP Securities rated Amazon as market outperform with a hold action. On Tuesday, November 28, 2023, BTIG gave Amazon a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, October 27, 2023, Telsey Advisory rated Amazon as outperform with a hold action. Also on Friday, October 27, 2023, Oppenheimer gave Amazon an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Amazon stock a general rating of strong buy. They consider the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Here are the latest signals for Amazon. On Monday, November 27, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point. Since then, the stock has fallen by 1.25%. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Yesterday, volume increased as prices fell, which could be an early warning sign. It's important to monitor the stock closely. On the positive side, there have been some signals that may impact the stock's short-term development. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal, while the long-term average indicates a buy signal. This suggests a general buy signal for the stock and a positive forecast. If the stock continues to gain, it may face resistance at around $146.21 from the short-term moving average. Conversely, if it falls, it may find support at approximately $140.73 from the long-term average. A breakup through the short-term average would send a buy signal, while a breakdown through the long-term average would send a sell signal. In the long-term chart, the stock had a golden star signal on Monday, February 13, 2023. This rare combination occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line meet. It is often followed by significant gains for the stock. Today, I want to share some interesting signals with you. Let's start with the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, which is currently indicating a sell signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which gave a sell signal 11 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger Bands are showing a buy signal that occurred 24 days ago. The short-term moving average also suggests a sell signal that occurred 2 days ago. However, the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 31 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal that occurred 28 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart for further insights. Based on the chart, the short moving average gave a sell signal 5 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average suggests a buy signal that occurred 31 days ago. Furthermore, the relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal that occurred 21 days ago. For more signals and analysis, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. Amazon has found support from accumulated volume at $140.39. This is an important level as it may present a buying opportunity. When the support is being tested, we can expect an upwards reaction in the stock's price. In general, Amazon tends to have very controlled movements, making it a low-risk stock. The good liquidity of the stock further lowers the risk associated with it. Looking at the recent data, we can see that the stock moved $2.54 between its high and low points in the last day. This represents a 1.77% volatility. Over the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 2.3%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Amazon, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are expecting significant growth in the future. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings stand at $0.770. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be exploring potential day trading levels for Amazon. In the case of an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $146.09. If you're not already invested in the stock, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before considering a position. However, if you're already holding Amazon shares, this level could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Amazon encounters its first support level at $140.39. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, with the possibility of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Amazon has a strong buy rating. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On December 6, 2023, Silipsky Atom sold 500 shares of Amazon's common stock, valued at 1 cent per share. On December 7, 2023, Silipsky Atom sold another 500 shares of common stock, valued at 1 cent per share. On December 1, 2023, Harrington Douglas J. sold 4,000 shares of common stock, valued at 1 cent per share. On November 22, 2023, Gorlick Jamie S. sold 6,843 shares of common stock, valued at 1 cent per share. On November 21, 2023, Jassy Andrew R. bought 10,000 shares of common stock, valued at 1 cent per share. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -84.289. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased a total of 211,314 shares and sold 2,565,805 shares. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop loss at $141.12, which represents a decrease of 3.27%. This particular stock tends to have low daily movements, which translates to lower risk for investors. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 10 days ago. Is Amazon stock a good buy? While there are some negative signals and indicators that may impact its short-term development, we believe that the current level presents a potential buying opportunity. Over the next 3 months, we expect the price to increase. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, December 12, we predict that Amazon will open with a decrease of $0.648 and start trading at $145.24. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please be aware that StockInvest.us should not be your sole basis for investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest, where we provide valuable insights into the stock market. Today, we'll be discussing our current view on a particular stock. We're eager to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinion. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We wish you success in your trading endeavors and hope you have a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.